Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage homeowners insurance rates with State Farm, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of homeowners insurance. Determine what coverage you need based on your property and assets. Gather information about your home, including its age, location, and features. Research State Farm's homeowners insurance offerings. Visit the official State Farm website to explore available policies. Use the online calculator tools to estimate potential rates. Contact a local State Farm agent for personalized assistance. Ask about discounts that may apply to your situation. Inquire about bundling options if you have other insurance policies. Review your coverage limits and deductibles with your agent. Understand the claims process for homeowners insurance. Discuss additional coverage options like flood or earthquake insurance. Examine the overall value of your home, ensuring it's accurately represented. Request a quote from State Farm to see your premium options. Compare the quote with other providers to ensure competitiveness. Consider setting up automatic payments for convenience. Regularly review your policy at least once a year to adjust for changes. Stay informed about any changes in local laws or regulations affecting insurance. Take proactive measures to maintain or enhance your home's value to lower rates. Be aware of your credit score, as it can influence insurance rates. Engage with your agent periodically to ensure your policy remains relevant. Document your home and belongings with photos or video for easier claims processing. Familiarize yourself with customer reviews and experiences regarding State Farm. Learn about any available policy options tailored for first-time homeowners. Evaluate your insurance needs as your lifestyle or circumstances change. Read through your policy details to understand coverage limitations. Keep a dedicated file for important documents and policy information. Be prepared to shop around every few years to ensure you're getting the best rate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.